Hello and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video with Twisted Beauty. And in today's video, we are going to be doing a beginner friendly neutral eye look using the eyeshadow palette 27. And this is by Melt Cosmetics. And I just picked this up not long ago. I know this has been out for a little bit, but it is new to me and I am going to be sharing it with you guys today. Before we get into the video, I just want to remind you that makeup isn't art. Our face is the canvas, but we all color differently. And if you are interested in this look, then stay tuned. Just like I stated at the start of this video, we are going to be using the palette 27 by Melt Cosmetics. And I am going to be showing you guys just a easy, beginner-friendly, neutral look. Using this eyeshadow palette. The rest of my face is already completed. If you are interested in any of the products that I used on today, on the rest of my face, I will leave those down in the description. And if you guys are interested in seeing a video tutorial on how I got this look, then just let me know down in the comment section. So we're gonna get right into this eyeshadow look. This is what the palette is looking like. It is very beautiful neutral eyeshadow palette. It has some very simple yet unique colors in it. This is my first time using this palette and I'm gonna see what I can come up with. So I need to first prime my lids so that my shadows are going to stick when I do apply them. As you guys probably can see, I do have oily lids as well as oily skin, so I'm definitely not skipping out on primer anytime. That's from my face to my lids. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on, and I'm trying to find my, okay, got it right here. And go ahead and smooth out this primer. So y'all, how has your week been? How is it going? I am so glad that I have made it to the end of the week. Every time I can get to the end of the week, God knows I am thankful, because it's a lot that be going on. It's a lot that's going on in general. There's a lot that's going on in this world, and baby, there's a lot that's going on in my life. So every time I get a chance, and it's not by me, every time that God grants me the grace to make it to the end of a work week or a week, I am grateful. So y'all let me know how y'all feeling down in the description bar. It is Friday for me, and I hope that you guys are having or have had a good week and have some good plans for the weekend. Y'all, I don't know what's up with this on my lid, but okay, got it. So the first shade that I am going to use, and I'm going to throw that in my crease, is try to hold this up so it makes sense to y'all, is I More Things, and it's this like taupey shade right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and throw that. No, actually I'm not. I'm going to use the shade Moxie because it's looking real pretty right now. So I'm going to go ahead and throw that in the crease somewhere. And get it built up. Tap off the excess. Ooh, that is very pretty. And I'm just putting it on here right now. I'm not really doing any type of blending with it. So this look is just gonna be for the noobs, the newbies. I'm not a professional, but you know, I know how to work my eyes and do what I want them to do. So yeah, we're just gonna I'm gonna try to do this in less than 3 colors, because you know, when you're new and you're just starting out, you don't want to be dealing with a whole lot of shades and a whole lot of brushes. You just want to get to what you got to get to, make it simple, make it make sense, and let me go. You know, you don't want to be dealing with nothing all day. Put this color in here, put that color on there. So I'm going to try to make this as simple as possible for you ladies on today. Yeah, so what I like to do is I just like to take a medium shade first and kind of put that in my crease area. With the different eyes that we have, some people have hooded lids. I do have hooded lids somewhat when I look down, you know, or up. Yeah, my lids are hooded, so it just basically means that your lid goes inside, and I do have this extra little flap that kind of hangs over my actual lid. But when I'm doing my shadows, it kind of just balances itself out. So I put Moxie on first because it is going to give me a little bit of warmth. You can always hold your eye back, find your crease that way, and, you know, basically blend that shadow in there. So I usually try to go up here. I need to go a little bit higher because my eyelids are a little hooded. So that way that if they close, you can still see that shade, you know, over top of the hood. Okay, so that's that. I'm going to use this brush here, and then I'm going to try to find an even smaller brush because I do need to, this is the one I'm going to use. And actually, guys, I'm using my Alter Ego brush set today. I purchased this a little bit ago, but it came in this bag. I think it had like 12 or 15 brushes in it, and these are very nice quality brushes. So the next shade I'm going to use outside of Moxie is, I want to deepen that up, and I'm going to go in, I don't know if I want to use Downtown or Moonchild. I think I'm going to go in with, because I'm trying to make this as minimal as possible. So I'm going to go in with Moonchild. And we're just doing a neutral look. So Moonchild is like this burgundy type of color. And I'm just going to go deepen up that crease just a little bit. And we will be blending this out. But right now, like I said, I'm just placing it. And it might look up, ooh, we got a little bit of kickback in this palette right here, sweetheart. Yes, ma'am. Okay, so that's kind of what you want. And you may actually have to go back in just to give yourself that warmth again, because I went up a little bit higher. So you want to kind of concentrate that right there. And the key to eyeshadow is blending, because you just want to make sure that everything blends well together. That's basically what you want. You want it to blend well together and to look like you can't tell where it starts or where it ends. Okay, so I'm going to use that same brush, or the same brush I used the first time, and I just need to add that warmth back at the top of that and blend it out. You guys see how I did that? Just to get that warmth back, and I'm also blending out that deeper shade. So yes, so do you guys have any plans for the weekend if you're off? I'm actually on call this weekend, but that means I'm kind of have to be stationary, but we'll see what happens. So I don't really have any big plans because I never know. I just never know how it's gonna go. I am a healthcare worker, so that's why I am on call, and if they call me, which I hope they don't, you know what I mean, I gotta go. I gotta go. So I'm just blending that out some more. Okay, now I'm just gonna find a shader brush, and then we're gonna go ahead and apply our lid shade because I don't want to do too much with you guys today. So what should I use on my lid shade today, guys? I'm gonna hold this up, let y'all see. I don't really want, you know what I'm gonna use this gold called Vegas Pass. I don't normally go with a gold, like, you know what, no. I keep telling y'all I'm gonna use something, then I'm gonna change my mind. So instead I'm gonna go in with Crime Fighter, this shade right here. I cannot believe that I just dug my brush inside of this shade somehow. Okay, well, stuff happens, and that happens, so we ain't gonna worry about it. Let me get my shader brush and Crime Fighter. I'm just gonna place that all over the lid. I'm gonna have to use my finger for that because she's trying to. Ooh, that is a very pretty color. I like it. I like it. I hope you guys can see that. That is very pretty. So yeah, sometimes you do need to use your finger on certain shadows because they just work a little better. You can get them to adhere to your eyelid better. So you will see people doing that from time to time, and it is a thing, and it does work. So we're gonna place this on our other lid as well. And usually what I like to do once I get it placed on the lid, I like to go back in with my shader brush and like just kind of make sure I have it placed right where I want it to be. So everything is looking good here so far. I'm liking what I see. Okay, and then the next thing we're gonna do is we're just gonna go back in and use whatever brush we had just to pick up some more of that shade, that dark burgundy that we had, Moonchild, right here. And we're gonna just deepen up the crease a little bit. I'm not gonna take a lot, but we're gonna blend it into that sparkly shade that we just put down. And the next thing we're gonna do, and guys, we're gonna do our lower lash line and we're gonna be done. I need this color Naked Sleep, the one that I just dug my brush in or whatever just happened weird there. I don't even know how it happened, but. And we need that for a brow bone shade. You do sometimes need to tap off your excess because you will have a lot and you don't want that powder going everywhere. So that is the top portion of our eyes. We're gonna just do our lower lash line. Not gonna take us long at all. I'm actually gonna pick up that shade Moonchild again. And usually you want to use a smaller brush for that. So I'm just gonna try to use this one, and I'm going to place that on my lower lash line. Like that. And I'm making that face because I can't help it. Going in with the shade Moxie, and I'm going to try to smoke it out even more just to warm it up a little bit. You'll find that this helps you blend out your lower lash line too. Okay, Melt 27 palette, I like you. I'm gonna tell you that you are powdery and it's a lot of fallout involved in this, so prepare yourself for that if you don't like a palette with a lot of fallout. It's definitely here. But it doesn't take away from how nice this palette is. I do really like it. What am I going to do with my inner corner? I'm not going to use a shimmery shade. Some people like to do that. I do sometimes as well. But today I'm just going to use this shade called No Slip. And I'm going to just put it in my inner corner just to add a little bit of color there, because I already have the shimmer on the lid. So you guys see what I'm doing with that. And you can, like I always say at the start of my videos, that makeup is an art, but we all color differently. And there's no right or wrong way to do it. This is just a little quick look that I was trying to show you guys. Using this Melt 27 palette because I was itching to get in it and use it, because I have not used it before. But so far, I think it's really nice, and I really think I like the eye look. You guys let me know what you think. I didn't put any mascara on or anything like that today. I guess I could grab that, but I didn't do it. So yeah, you guys, thank you so much for staying with me watching this video. I want you guys to come on back. Let us do it all over again. Until next time, be blessed, and I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to drop down in that comment section and let me know how you're feeling, what you're thinking about this look, if it helped you out. Bye, YouTube.